intraday stocks for 5th of October 2021 and the day is Tuesday. Now let's look at Nifty. Now this is the candle that was formed yesterday, the last day, and then today it opened gap up and sustained the gap up and it went near this resistance level, which is around 17,800. So 17,800 to 18,000, this level is going to act as a resistance zone. On the downside, this low should be maintained if it has to continue its up move, and 17,440 is going to act as a strong support and 18,000 is going to act as strong resistance. But if we narrow down the range, then 17,900 is going to act as a strong support, strong resistance. So 17,525 on the downside and 17,900 on the upside. So this will be the range in which Nifty is expected to be trading with high volatility. Now going down to 1 hour chart, you can see some interesting thing. Now this was the resistance level and this zone is the resistance zone which has been tested, but Nifty could not cross it. Now you can see one more thing. This and this represents two islands. So we can say that these are two islands. Now if Nifty opens gap down tomorrow, pretty good gap down, then we can say that it is a reversal sign. And this island reversal is a powerful one, but it opens flat and goes up, then higher levels could be tested. And looking at 15-minute chart, you can see that it went up and made a lower high formation. You can see this is one high, this is another high, but the highs have got lowered. So that's a sign of weakness, and it is also a M pattern, a formation of an M pattern. Now this could be the target if it comes down. If this neckline is broken, then we can go short. So below 17,650 we can sell Nifty. Now here is one more thing, you can see that there is also a W pattern in formation. The highs have also got higher. So if this W continues, if this neckline is broken, then we can buy above 17,720 tomorrow. So above 17,720 we are going to buy, and below 17,650 we are going to sell. So we will sell below 17,650 level, and this level could be the target. So 17,550, or we can say 17,525, this level could be our target if this level is broken. And if this level is crossed, above 17,720, 17,820 and 17,900 level can be achieved on the upside. Now let's look at Bank Nifty. On a daily chart, it is still in that big volatile range between 38,400 on the upside and 36,400 on the downside. So that's a volatile range of 2,000 points in which it is going to trade for maybe few more days. Now coming to 1 hour chart, you can see the same thing. We can see that this is an island, this is another island. So we can also see the formation of islands here. So this is island number 1, this is island number 2, and if the third island is formed with a gap down, then it may come down, and this would be a clear sign of trend reversal. But if it opens flat and goes up, then there is nothing to fear and the trend may continue and higher levels could be tested. Now if we come to 15-minute chart, you can see that a trend line is being maintained and it has tested twice, and if it breaks this trend line, then we can go short. We can sell below 37,550. Below this level we are going to sell, but you can see this is one high, this is another high. So if we join these two high, then we can see some flag pattern, kind of a flag pattern we can see. And if this high is taken out, then we can buy above 37,620. So if this 37,620 level is crossed, we can buy above this level. So below 37,550 we are going to sell, and the target would be 37,400. But there is a chance that 37,800 level can come if 37,620 is broken on the upside. Now there is a chance that this zone can be tested, as there is a gap, a window, and 37,200 to 37,300, this level could be tested. It can come up to this level, and on the higher side, then 37,800 level can come, and 38,000 level can also come. The first stock is NMDC. There you can see the breakout, and after that it has rallied. So 146.50 level can 145.50 level can come again. But looking at this, it is a halt candle, and if this candle is taken out with a neckline star formation, then we can buy above 148.70, and we need only about 1 point as stop loss, because if it has to go up, then this level will not come, and 1:2 would be the target on the upside. The next stock is State Bank of India. You can see that it is trading on a trend line, and it can bounce back from here. With the bullishness in Bank Nifty, it can bounce back from here, and if this level is crossed, then we can buy above 464, and we can keep 2 point as stop loss, which means the stop loss would be at 462, and the first target, let us keep it at 1:1 at 466, and the second target could be 468 or even 470 if it goes in a flow. So that makes it a 1:2 on the upside. Actually, it is more than 1:2 on the upside. The next stock is Gujarat Gas, and you can see that it has halted before a fall. It made a range, it tried to give a breakout but fell, and now it is again trading within a steep range, and if this low is taken out, then we can see some more fall below 608, and 4 point we can keep a stop loss, and 1:2 target will be on the downside. The next stock is Biocon. You can see it tried to go up but failed, so it halted and fell, it halted again and fell. Now it's halting again, trading in a steep range, and if this low is taken out, then we can sell below 364, keeping a 2 point stop loss, and 1:2 target will be on the downside. So that is for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you for watching.